Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve previous year's questions from Chapter 3 Metals and Nonmetals of Class 10 Science, all arranged chapter-wise for your easy revision. A clean aluminium foil was placed in an aqueous solution of zinc sulfate. When the aluminium foil was taken out of the zinc sulfate solution after 15 minutes, its surface was found to be coated with a silvery grey deposit. From the above observation, it can be concluded that answer A. Aluminium is more reactive than zinc. Explanation: the reaction is a displacement reaction where aluminium displaces zinc from zinc sulfate solution. This is possible because aluminium is more reactive than zinc, thus forming aluminium sulfate and depositing zinc on the aluminium foil. 2. Iron nails were dipped in an aqueous solution of copper sulfate. After about 30 minutes, it was observed that the color of the solution changed from answer B. Blue to light green. Explanation: in this displacement reaction, iron displaces copper from copper sulfate solution. The blue color of copper sulfate, CuSO, turns light green due to the formation of iron, 2, sulfate, FeSO. The colors of aqueous solutions of CuSO and FeSO as observed in the laboratory are answer D. Dark blue and pale green respectively. Explanation: copper sulfate, CuSO, solution is dark blue, while iron, 2, sulfate, FeSO, solution is pale green. As observed in the laboratory, a student prepared an aqueous solution of CuSO in beaker X and an aqueous solution of FeSO in beaker Y. He then dropped some iron pieces in beaker X and some zinc pieces in beaker Y. After about 10 hours, he observed that the solution in X and Y respectively appears, answer D, greenish and colorless. Explanation: iron displaces copper from CuSO solution in beaker X, causing the solution to turn green due to the formation of iron, 2, sulfate, FeSO. In beaker Y, zinc displaces iron from FeSO solution, resulting in a colorless solution as zinc sulfate, ZnSO, is colorless. The compound obtained on reaction of iron with steam is R. Answer: the correct compound obtained is FeO, magnetite. Iron reacts with steam to form iron oxides, with FeO being a common result. The other compounds like FeO and FeO may form under different conditions, but FeO is the major product when iron reacts with steam. An element X reacts with O to give a compound with a high melting point. This compound is also soluble in water. The element X is likely to be answer. The element X is likely to be B. Calcium. Calcium reacts with oxygen to form calcium oxide, CaO, which has a high melting point and is soluble in water. This compound is a strong base when dissolved. Iron, silicon, and carbon do not form similar compounds with the same properties. Which one of the following structures correctly depicts the compound CaCl? Answer: the correct structure would depend on the provided options A, 2, D. CaCl is an ionic compound consisting of calcium cations, Ca superscript 2, and chloride anions, Cl, where each calcium ion is surrounded by 2 chloride ions, 8. The pairs which will show displacement reaction is R. Answer: C, 2, and 4. In the displacement reactions, a more reactive metal displaces a less reactive metal from its salt solution. AgNO solution and copper metal will result in a displacement as copper displaces silver. Similarly, ZnSO solution and iron metal will also show displacement as iron displaces zinc. 9. Out of the given metals, the one which needs to be stored using kerosene is answer C, R. Based on the observation, metal R reacts violently with cold water, which suggests it is highly reactive, similar to alkali metals like sodium and potassium, which must be stored in kerosene to prevent them from reacting with moisture in the air. Out of the given metals, the metal Q is answer C. Potassium. Potassium reacts with hot water, forming a floating metal, which is characteristic of alkali metals. It produces hydrogen gas and heat, which explains why it floats on the water's surface. Metal which forms amphoteric oxides is answer B. Q. Potassium forms amphoteric oxides, which can react with both acids and bases. Other metals like sodium and magnesium form basic oxides, while metals like aluminum form amphoteric oxides. 3. Why is it that nonmetals do not displace hydrogen from dilute acids? Answer. Nonmetals do not displace hydrogen from dilute acids because they do not have a tendency to lose electrons easily. Displacement reactions require a more reactive substance to donate electrons and displace hydrogen ions from acids. Nonmetals, such as carbon and oxygen, do not possess this ability. 4. What is meant by rusting? With labeled diagrams, describe an activity to find out the conditions under which iron rusts. Answer. Rusting is the oxidation of iron in the presence of water and oxygen, forming iron oxide, rust. An experiment can be conducted where iron nails are placed in different conditions, dry, in water, in salt water, and observed for rust formation. Iron rusts when exposed to moisture and oxygen in the air, forming hydrated iron, 3, oxide, FeO times NHO. 05. Write the electronic configuration of two elements X and Y whose atomic numbers are 20 and 17 respectively. Write the molecular formula of the compound formed when element X reacts with element Y. Draw electron dot structure of the product and also state the nature of the bond formed between. 6. The electronic configuration of X, Ca, is 2, 8, 8, 2, and the electronic configuration of Y, Cl, is 2, 8, 7. Calcium, Ca, loses 2 electrons to form Ca superscript 2 and chlorine, Cl, gains 1 electron to form Cl. The molecular formula of the compound formed is CaCl. The bond formed is ionic, where Ca superscript 2 and Cl ions are held together by electrostatic forces of attraction.